Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue and today I'm going to share a one-pot chickpea satay. It's a super easy meal just to whip up when you're in a hurry. I'm often tired and hungry at the end of filming and I'm always looking for quick meal ideas. This is one that is my version of an easy satay sauce, and then I add chickpeas and vegetables, pretty much what I've got in the freezer, which is usually frozen spinach and edamame beans. But the first step I like to do is get my rice started. So I'm using white basmati rice, and I just popped a cup in here, which will make 3 cups, cooked cup. And then I add about 2.5 cups of water, and I'll boil that for 10 minutes on my stove top over there to one side. Okay, I call this my 10-minute curry, or my 10-minute satay. So I better hurry up and start making it. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Now you can add a sliced onion and saute that for a few minutes to become soft, but I don't always like adding garlic and onion into everything. So I'm just getting some little bit of olive oil because my pan's quite dry. I've already taken a packet of chickpeas and rinsed and drained them before we started filming. And I've taken my beans and spinach out of the freezer, but I often just throw them in frozen. I need to add in, actually we need 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And I'm going to use smooth today. And I've just got my pan on low to start with. Actually, this is quite 3 generous tablespoons. You could also use crunchy peanut butter. And then we've got some liquid. So I've got a tablespoon, just need to scroll up to see my notes. Tablespoon of tamari, which is a wheat-free soya sauce. We can add soya sauce. I've got some lemon juice here. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That was just squeezed of 1 small lemon. And some maple syrup or honey, 1 tablespoon. Some curry powder, just 1 tablespoon. And we need some coconut milk. And that's just 1 little packet. They come in cartons here, so I'm going to add all that in. Now this is a vegetarian, it's even a vegan curry. But if meat's important to you and you love eating meat, you can add chicken in instead of the chickpeas. You could swap it out. I've done it with eggplant. I've also done it with pumpkin. I've done it with sweet potato. It's really versatile. So now I'm going to add in my drained, rinsed chickpeas. Spinach. And that was about 1/2 cup. And my edamame beans, which I love. But this is kind of like a pantry meal because I always have coconut milk, I always have chickpeas, and I always have frozen spinach and edamame beans in the freezer and curry powder in the cupboard. So my rice is cooked. And you can either drain off all the excess water now, but what I like to do is, it will actually make it a 20-minute meal, but I like to prep it beforehand and then I sit the lid on for another 10 minutes and then it steams it and it gets it nice and sticky. So we're not eating dinner straight away. It's not quite dinner time yet, but I just wanted to share this video. I'm going to try this. This tastes delicious. If you need extra salt, you can add a little bit of salt to it. I can't wait to eat this tonight. I'll take some photos for some close-up shots. I hope you've liked my 1-pot dinner idea. It's actually 2 pots, but 1 pot here. 10-minute meal, and it's super easy. Everything's just in your freezer or pantry. And I'll pop a few other dinner ideas up above. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.